In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to review presentations in PowerPoint step by step. Whether you're collaborating with a team, giving feedback to a colleague, or double-checking your own slides before a big meeting, knowing how to properly use the review tools in PowerPoint can save you time and make your presentations more professional. I'll walk you through adding comments, managing comment threads, deleting them, and even checking accessibility. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint guides. Now, let's get started. First, open PowerPoint. You can use the desktop version or PowerPoint online through your browser. Go ahead and open the presentation you want to review. Once your file is open and you can see your slides, you're ready to begin the review process. At the top of the screen, look for the menu bar and click on the Review tab. This tab contains all the tools you need for reviewing, commenting, and improving your presentation. When you click on Review, you'll see options like New Comment, Accessibility Tools, and other proofing features. To leave feedback on a specific slide, click on New Comment. After clicking it, select the area on the slide where you want the comment to appear. A comment box will open on the side of your screen. This is where you can type your feedback, suggestions, or questions. For example, you might suggest changing an image, clarifying a bullet point, or correcting a typo. Take your time and type your message clearly so the person reviewing it understands exactly what you mean. Once you've typed your comment, click on Post. Your comment will now be attached to that slide. If you're working collaboratively, others will be able to see your comment and reply directly within the same thread. This makes communication simple and organized, especially when multiple people are reviewing the same presentation. If you need to manage your comments, locate the comment thread on the right side of the screen. You'll notice 3 dots next to each comment. Click on those 3 dots to open additional options. From here, you can edit your comment if you need to reword something, or you can delete the thread entirely if it's no longer needed. To remove a comment completely, click on the 3 dots and then choose Delete Thread. This will permanently remove that comment conversation from the slide. This is especially helpful once feedback has been addressed and you want to keep your presentation clean and distraction-free. Now let's look at another important review feature. Go back to the Review tab at the top. This time, click on Check Accessibility. The Accessibility Checker scans your presentation for potential issues that could make it difficult for some users to view or understand your slides. For example, it may flag missing alt text on images, poor color contrast, or reading order problems. When the Accessibility panel opens, you'll see a list of errors, warnings, or tips. Click on each issue to jump directly to the slide where the problem exists. PowerPoint will also give you recommendations on how to fix it. Making these improvements ensures your presentation is inclusive and accessible to a wider audience. Reviewing your presentation using comments and the Accessibility Checker is a simple but powerful way to improve quality, collaboration, and professionalism. Before finalizing any presentation, it's always a good idea to go through these steps to catch mistakes and gather feedback. And that's how you review presentations in PowerPoint. As you can see, it's a straightforward process once you know where to find the tools. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more PowerPoint tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.